Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert columns with text wrapping in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then search for Google Docs here. So I will just type here docs, and then after here you need to open up the first link, okay, that will appear here. So just open up this first link from here, and then basically from here you need to click on this blank page, and this will basically insert the blank page. Okay, so now I will just insert the text here. So right click and paste, and now if I want to basically wrap this text into a column here, I will select this text, then I will go into this format columns, and now you can basically divide your page into more than one columns, so 2 or 3 maximum. So if I wanted to divide this into 2, just tap on this one, and now you can see that we have successfully wrapped our text inside these 2 columns here. And you can even basically insert the line here between. Okay, so format columns, more options, and here line between columns, and apply. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.